Welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, a clear, practical place to learn AI one lesson at a time. Today's episode starts with a question almost everyone has quietly wondered. Will AI take my job? Let's jump right into listener questions.
Listen to questions.
This week's listener question comes from Kate. Kate asks, will AI take my job? This is one of the most common concerns people have right now. So let's break it down clearly, honestly, and in a way that actually helps. Here's the short answer. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces tasks. And that distinction is more important than most headlines make it sound. When people hear AI is coming, what they often imagine is a full role disappearing overnight. But that's not how change usually happens. Most jobs aren't one thing. They're a collection of tasks. Writing, planning, organizing, researching, communicating, making decisions, solving problems. AI is very good at parts of those, maybe 10 to 20% in many roles. It can draft, summarize, analyze patterns, generate first passes, speed up research, but it doesn't replace judgment. It doesn't understand nuance the way a human does. It doesn't carry experience. It doesn't navigate politics, relationships, or long-term strategy. And those things matter. What AI actually replaces is friction, the busy work, the repetitive steps, the formatting, the back-and-forth revisions, the tasks that consume time but don't really move the needle. And here's where this becomes important. When friction disappears, expectations shift. Organizations don't suddenly need fewer people. They expect more output, more clarity, faster turnaround, better thinking, and the people who learn to use AI, even just a little, become more productive, more strategic, more valuable, because they're no longer spending their energy on low-value effort. They're spending it on higher-level thinking. So the real risk isn't AI taking your job overnight. The real risk is staying static while the tools evolve around you. History shows that the people who adapt early don't just survive change. They often lead it. And the good news? Learning to work with AI doesn't require becoming technical. It requires curiosity, a little experimentation, and the willingness to improve how you already work. And that's something anyone can do. Okay, with that in mind, here's something practical we can chat about in today's Hot Tip section.
AI hot tip.
This week's AI Hot Tip is a 5-minute daily habit that strengthens your job security better than anything else. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open your preferred AI tool. It could be ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Grok, it doesn't matter. Step 2. Ask one simple question. What is one way AI can help me with my work today? Step 3. Try the suggestion that it gives you, even if it's just for a minute or two. Just test it, even if it's small. It could be rewriting an email, summarizing a meeting, generating ideas, organizing a plan, improving wording, brainstorming a solution. That's it. 5 minutes. But by doing this daily, you start to build AI intuition. And by practicing every day, you're discovering what's really useful for your job. At the same time, you become someone who adapts quickly. People with even basic AI knowledge are the ones who stay relevant and often get promoted. This tiny habit makes you AI-proof because it builds a skill that your workplace will increasingly depend on. And if you're not sure where to begin, start with the free 30-day AI roadmap at aibeginner.net/start.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
All right, now to our final segment, Optimistic AI Thought of the Week. Here's something worth remembering. AI doesn't replace people who learn, it supports them. The more curious you are, even in small daily moments, the more valuable you become in an AI-powered world. You don't need to master everything. You just need to stay willing to learn one small step at a time. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.